RLC is so bullish, it didn't even give me the time to make my video before pumping. I've been looking at this no more than 3 hours and it's already just taken off after I found this chart. And you are going to absolutely love the potential of this coin. So make sure to like and subscribe and we'll dive into it and I'll go into exactly why you do not want to miss out on RLC. So RLC right here is on the market cap. 139 is its rank. Currently has $280 million in market cap. Okay, that's not very much, guys, okay? So just to get into the top 100, you're going to need about 5x its current amount. So you have a ton of potential with this coin. You have a ton of potential, so don't stress about that one bit. Now, this market does look extremely bullish on the low time frame, but I don't even care about the low time frame. This coin is so bullish because of the high time frame indicators. So let's go ahead and dive in there. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. The first one I'm looking at is going to be right here. This is going to be a high time frame indicator, the weekly resistance block. I was talking about this block earlier in the afternoon or early in the evening, and we've already broken above this block. Guys, that's huge. So we've already busted well above this level I was hoping for it to reclaim, and now we're already above this one. So this is a weekly breaker, and if we can close above here, that's incredibly bullish. And if we do close above here, what's our next logical target? Well, it makes a lot of sense that our next logical target would be the next one up here. Then after that, what else do we have left? Nothing, guys. This is just open air, open skies for us to keep going up. Now, so this is what we're looking at on the US dollar pairing. Now, there's more things I'm looking at than just that to get me interested in this chart. Number one, look at this impulsive volume on this movement. This goes to tell me that this is very important and that people should be taking notice. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is on the daily chart. We have this right here. We almost had a death cross, which in case you're not aware what that is, that's when the 200 moving average gets crossed over by the 50 exponential moving average. Now, we almost came in and did it. However, as you can tell, we had a curvature which has broadened it to the upside. So the death cross right now has been invalidated. That's a really good sign. Another coin this happened to very recently is Ethereum. Ethereum almost did the exact same thing. Came in here, was going to do a death cross. However, the strong movement turned it around and made Ethereum continue going up. Okay, so RLC is making a very similar movement as Ethereum on avoiding this death cross. That's really, really good. So the other cool thing about this is now we are solidly above the 200 moving average. The 200 moving average acts as a very strong support if you're above it or resistance if you're below it. Now that we're above it, now that we've reclaimed it, this is a massive show of strength and really helps build the case that we're going to continue going up. Now, anytime you're trading an altcoin, you don't just look at the US dollar pairing. You have to look at the Bitcoin pairing as well. So RLC also has a very strong looking altcoin or Bitcoin pairing as well. And the first thing we're going to look at is on a super high time frame level, which is a monthly breaker. Guys, monthly breaker. That's how bullish I am on this. Okay, this is a very high time frame movement. So right here we have a breaker that's been established. You can tell it's a breaker because you have a decrease in price followed by a reversal in price followed by a continuation down. This area is where the bulls fought back. That is the area of contention. Anytime you have an area of contention like this, it's assumed that it's going to be contended with further down the line. And if you go over here, you can see how well this level has been interacted with and all the resistance and strength and everything else busting into it. This is a very important and key level. So we came down in here, went into the monthly breaker. However, we reacted very strongly off this test, and now we're starting to accelerate to the upside. That looks really, really good. Okay, I'm really happy about that. Also, look at this volume profile. There is a lot of buy volume here on the increase, and then you have very low volume on the decrease. Increasing on high volume is bullish. Decreasing on low volume is also bullish. So we were decreasing on low volume into a major support level, in which case this has now accelerated the upside. So I know right now you're thinking, oh, but RTBro, you've already went up 5% in the last 2 hours. Yes, I get it, okay? However, you have to also consider this is how far we have to go. Look at all this fresh sky, open air right above us, guys. Don't stress about what we've done so far. You want to buy into strength and sell at weakness. This is a massive, massive show of strength, and you want to be buying into strength. Now, I'm buying at this level. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't recommend you to do so. However, I'm buying RLC at this level. Now, where are we going to target? It's a really, really tough question, guys. It's really hard to find out exactly where we're going to target at. So here's my recommendation to you. Don't have a price target in mind. I know that sounds crazy, right? However, if you have a price target in mind, one of two things are going to happen. Either you are going to sell too early, or you're going to not sell at all when it doesn't get to your point. So instead, just wait until it starts showing weakness and then start unloading your position. Well, when is that going to be? All right, you can either become a really good trader really quickly, or go to my Discord page right over here. It's in the description of the video, and I will keep you up to date on what's going on with RLC. Okay, you can also ask me, hey, how's RLC looking? I'll be glad to help you out and try to give you guys some targets when it starts showing some weakness, okay? So make sure to join the Discord. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, because I do give lots of really good insight on these coins all the time. So you do not want to miss out. All right, guys, that's about all I've got on this one. Make sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. So deuces, boys.